Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login8. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem gift card on Shein app. For this, first of all, open the Shein app. Make sure you're logged in your account. Now first of all, you have to purchase the item that you want. You can also search for the item. For example, I'm searching for multicolor twin girl set. Scroll down to see more products and select the product that you want to buy. I will tap on this product. Now, if you scroll down, you can select the color. Also, you can select the size. And if you scroll down, you can see additional information about the product. You can also see the reviews and also the comments. Now, tap on Add to Cart. Now, your product is added to the cart. Now, you have to go to your cart. For this, you have to tap on the cart option that is in the top right corner, right next to the share button. So, if you have multiple products in your carts, you can either select the product that you want to buy or you can also buy all the product at once. For this, you have to tap on the all button that is in the bottom left corner. Or if you do not want to purchase all the items, you can deselect the items that you do not want to purchase right now. Now tap on checkout. Scroll down. Now you have to select the payment method. You can either pay with PayPal, credit or debit card, buy now, pay later, Cash App Pay, Venmo. Here I'm selecting credit or debit card. Now if you scroll down, you have three options: apply coupon, points, gift card. Tap on the gift card. So now you have to enter the card number and PIN. The card number is available in the gift card. Now enter your PIN. Now you have to tap on apply. So this is how you redeem gift card on Shein app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.